we have Ripple is just still going. It is now at like $2.18. It's just been coming on up. There's that level right there, and it did go sideways for a little while before breaking through. So it's like if you were, if you were strong enough to stomach this entire move up here and this pause around, like each time, price got up here, you waited for the pullback a little bit, started tracking these little lows right here. The first one around $1.80, and then the next one was like $1.84, and then the final one was $1.88 before it just bursted on through all the way up to the 216 area. If we go back out to the weekly, I'm tracking somewhere, there's a high, at least on my chart, $3.31, $3.31 is the high that Ripple's ever been, according to this chart here. Somebody else quoted me 380, which is fine. It all depends on the whatever, or the feed that you're getting and all this other stuff. But so that's what we got. I'm going to go back here to this time frame back when we got that spike. And if we drop down to the 4-hour, here is a zone that when price came up into this level, it broke through, made all the way to its new high, then came back down and pummeled twice, and then jumped through. So the zone is between $2.22 and $2.40 is what we can say, 240. So I believe that if price stays where we're at right now, or continues going where we're at right now, it's going to get into that zone, and that's where we're going to find our next sideways movement. And that would be a good time to start keeping track and keeping your profits close, not too close that you get, stopped out. As we looked on the hourly at this one here, when you had this full range that came up, if you would have trailed all this too closely, these little pullbacks here would have stopped you out. And so you'd be out of this little journey here. But now we're getting up here. What is this? We've already tethered or looked at this push before on a level. So this push here would put you into that zone and a little bit beyond it if we continued following these pushes that we keep having, these spikes beyond everything. So if we go back to the actual low that started this push, that puts you directly into that level. So this could be another area, or I believe this will be another area where it's going to start to go sideways.